Okay, we're gonna take our pre-cut piece of carpet. This stair from end to end is 3 foot, so we want to cut our carpet down to 3 foot and a quarter. Add that little bit extra. From here over the nose, it's 13, so we want 13 and a quarter. We've already got ours ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a 1/4 inch on each end, up the side. Quarter inch there, 1/4 inch at the back, and a 1/4 inch on the side, 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, should be fine. And then what we'll do is we'll start tucking into the back. We want it to be a pressure fit. Staples in the back, pop staples in the back. You can always put a piece of 1/4 round over that edge to cover it. Don't worry about any scuff marks on the front. You can always just touch it up with a little bit of paint. We're going to start in the middle. We're going to pull as tight as we can. We're going to push over the nose. We want our stairs tight. We're going to lock in a few staples to hold it into place. This carpet is called Chase. It's Anderson Tough Tex 100% nylon, directcarpet.com. And we've got a groove that really good all the way along. So we can get our knife under there with a straight cut.